Wow, check out this great local trade. This super clean extended cab Silverado is loaded with the LTE package, Z71 package, 4-wheel drive, XM satellite radio, OnStar communication system, electronic dual climate control, remote start, power windows, power locks, keyless entry, bed-mounted toolbox, towing package, aftermarket chrome wheels, 5.3 Vortec 5.8 engine, and much more. This Silverado does have a rebuilt title, but you would never know by looking at or driving it. This low-mileage beauty has been through a complete inspection in our ASE certified service department, and now it is ready for you to enjoy. Please call us for more information on this great local trade.